Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Bollinger Squeeze Advanced Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator shows us the squeeze of the Bollinger Bands. Additionally, we can also select from 8 well-known indicators in the input, and it will display one of those 8 for us. The way it works is that the histograms represent the indicator we choose. By default, it shows the demarker indicator.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
And when the histograms have a positive value, they are shown in green, and when they have a negative value, they are shown in red. When we see blue histograms, it indicates a Bollinger Band squeeze. And after the blue color ends, we expect a new trend to begin, and we can also determine the direction of the trend from the indicator we have here. For example, here after the squeeze, we have a green histogram. This means we can enter a buy trade. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings specifies which indicator we want to use from options 1 to 8. Option 1 is Stochastic, option 2 is CCI, 3 is RSI, and 4 is MACD. 5 momentums, 6 is Williams percent range, 7 is ADX, and 8 is demarker. With the first option, we select which one we want to display on the chart, and then for each of these indicators, we can specify their period here. For example, for Stochastic, for CCI, for RSI, and for MACD, we can set 3 parameters. For the momentum indicator, we can specify its period. For Williams percent range, we can also set its period, ADX, and also demarker. For example, I select the Stochastic option. You can see that it displays the Stochastic for us, and it also shows the Bollinger Band squeeze here. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comment section to help improve the indicators.